we haven't been back to the Bel Air for a bit for you guys to see what's going on, but it's all on jack stands, and ran a bunch of wiring in, so we got the seats and everything out. We've been running all new brake lines in it, front to back, so a bunch of them are all made up here. And yeah, it's actually quite a job to run all the brake lines for it, because they're all brand new. And we gotta take the brakes apart yet on the back end. But yeah, you can get a rough idea. I don't know how much you can see from this angle under here, or you can see some of the brake line running along there. But yeah, so we're getting pretty close to having that done. We still need some fittings and a few new hoses. But for the most part, we should have brakes fairly soon. And got the intake off because we had to run the knock sensors through back there. We got a bunch of the other wiring in here, but we've got to bring in the main engine harness yet. And yeah, so we'll continue on with that, but we'll show you guys some more video of that as we go. We got quite a bit of stuff on the go. Okay, thanks for watching.